That's it, little guy. Just one more tap. Statue mode. Yep, he's looking. Don't even breathe. And retreat. Good choice.
He's stalking the cups. Look at that focus. There goes one. Uh-oh. I can't. He thinks if he can't see him, he's invisible.
Oh no. Here we go. Busted. Look at that face. He knows he's caught. And yep, gone. Can't even be mad. That was hilarious.
Figures. Too funny.
Oh my gosh, listen to that. He thinks he's being sneaky. Uh-oh, Big Brother's waking up. Tiptoe mode. Look at those tiny steps. The bottle's louder than he is. He's trying so hard. Oh, stop it, paw on it. Good save. He's gonna make it. Sneaky little genius.
Engineer at work. Look at that focus. Oh, the demolition crew has arrived. Here comes the car, and down they go. Uh-oh, Big Brother's awake. He's pretending to be a statue. That is some guilty face right there. I think he got away with it.
Oh my gosh, he ran for it. No way. The look. Busted. And he's gone. I can't believe that just happened.
Oh boy. Busted.
And he's gone. Poor guy. Okay, here she goes. One more cup. Balanced. She's so proud of herself. Little nudge. Oh, living dangerously. Don't do it. Oh no. There it goes. Yep. And thud. Ooh, that woke the big guy up. You can see him giving her the look. Absolute judgment.